Hi students, welcome all. Now we are discussing chapter 10 vectors. In this module we are going to discuss about product of two vectors. There are two types of product. One is scalar product and other one is vector product. Scalar product means dot product and vector product is cross product. Now first of all we discuss about scalar product or dot product. If A vector and B vector are two non-zero vectors inclined at an angle theta, then the scalar product of A vector and B vector is denoted by A dot B and is defined as a scalar mod A mod B cos theta. That is, A dot B is equal to mod A mod B cos theta. A vector dot B vector, we call it as dot A vector dot B vector is equal to mod A mod B cos theta. Okay. Now let us discuss some properties on dot product. Number one, scalar dot product is commutative. This is A vector dot B vector is equal to B vector dot A vector. Number two, A vector dot B plus C is equal to, it is A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector. Number three, if A vector dot B vector dot product of two vectors is equal to 0, that implies or implied by if and only if A vector perpendicular to B vector. The A vector and B vector are non-zero, where A vector and B vector are non-zero vectors. If two non-zero vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Number 4, A vector dot A vector is equal to, it is same as magnitude of A square, that is modulus of A vector square. Fifth property is, let M be any scalar, M A vector dot B vector is equal to A dot M B vector, which is same as M into A vector dot B vector. We can write the scalar anywhere, the coefficient of A or B or in front of A dot B. Okay. Number 6, in the same way, M and N are scalars, MA dot NB is equal to, just you multiply Mn and A dot B. Okay. 7, modulus of A plus B whole square is equal to, we can write mod A square modulus of B square plus 2 times A vector dot B vector. Number 8, A plus B in the place of plus, A minus B whole square is equal to, we can write mod A square plus mod B vector square minus 2 times A vector dot B vector. Property number 9, mod A plus B whole square plus mod A minus B whole square is equal to 2 times mod A square plus mod B square. Number 10, modulus of A plus B is equal to modulus of A minus B if and only if mod A plus B equals mod A minus B, that implies A vector is perpendicular to B vector. Number 11, A vector plus B vector dot A vector minus B vector equals, we can write mod A square minus mod B square. Property number 12, if theta is the angle between, if theta is the angle between A vector and B vector, then cos theta equals A vector dot B vector divided by dot product of the vectors divided by product of their magnitude. To find the angle, cosine of angle, that is cos theta equal to A dot B by mod A mod B. Next property number 13, if A vector equals A1 I cap A2 j cap plus A3 k cap and another vector B vector equals b1 I cap, b2 j cap and b3 k cap. Then a vector dot b vector is equal to, we can write a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Clear? Next, property number 14. I dot I, that is I dot I, j dot j and k dot k all are equal to 1. Next is I dot j, ij, jk, ki, which is equal to 0. Property number 15. Projection of a vector on b vector. To find the projection of a vector on b vector is equal to, you find the dot product of a dot b by mod b. Same way, you have to find the projection of b vector on a vector, which is equal to b dot a. We can write b dot a is same as a dot b divided by mod a. Now we will discuss some problems in our next module. Okay, thank you all.